Things that you do, I act a fool. I'm here for you if you want me to. Ex say I'm a liar, you told me never mind her. Ask about my desire, you try to spark a fire.
Hello, welcome.
Why you look at your voice?
Hello, everybody. My name is Ross. Welcome to Grace's YouTube channel, family. And then we're going to the beach. It's my birthday weekend.
You got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I
mara nishaye reverse kuphela nje pushana amaze emuva ke okay yeah push yeah like that
change your ways? Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene?
My lifesaver coming to save me. Waka, we go. You, hey, Waka, go. Accident. Accident.
That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
Hey, what are you doing? All I want to say is we will not make it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace for those of you that don't know me. If you're new here, hi. I hope you like what you see and you stay. If you're a returning subscriber, sabi my day one. I really do appreciate your continuous support. Guys, I'm at the Blight. I'm with my friend Trust. Tomorrow's her birthday. This is a funny way of starting a vlog, especially in water when you don't even know how to pedal. But anyways, we are at the Blight in Pretoria, and I'm with my friend Trust. Tomorrow's her birthday. So she said, babe, let's book in and do something. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. We're still in water, as you guys can see. But yeah, I just thought let me come here and introduce the vlog, and yeah, that's just it from me. The more you sing, Kegan. Right, nearly drowned. But at least we made it there, bro. Hey, we made it there. Otherwise, I. Ah, dude. Yo, but it was nice, Mara. As long as we got there. Time to get ready for dinner now. Oh, yeah, and function. Salawa yija kan. By the time we give you my target, what's that guy?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I'm thinking money. Oh, sorry. Get like a go to a tap again. Come on, get float. I can't. Yo, telling Jay, where I can the ground. It's telling Jay. Because once.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking.
Utula rukheje le bati. Bushuka muka. Batho ba feta mokhiba ba bona khemo.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Something naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you
in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end.
Bruce, I can't hear you. Too many people are talking.
Oh, okay, sorry. Let me just take you off speaker.
We nearly died.
Yeah, no, we're going to the police station.
Hi.
Yeah. I have his ID, his license, his VIN number. I have all of his details. I know where he works. He says company is willing to pay. It's not a problem. No, it's not. It's not too bad.
I've been vlogging. Morning, guys. So we at the police station to make a report, ne? Yeah. To make a report. So yeah, Bong is already inside. Just right. Hey guys, so we were going hiking, ne? And somebody hit us at the back. Bongi didn't want to go hiking, so I feel like Vele, she did it on purpose. I don't know how. She did it on purpose.
Liars.
She's so happy. So we had to come to the police station to write a report. That nigga was smoking, guys. And the accident report, the ambulance reports to the accident were too quick.
The response was
right there.
It was like, you know,
Two of them.
Like, you know, I even
told
told them that my rib shifted and my something here. But anyways, hiking is done because it's already 7:30, whatever. We're no longer going there. We're going for breakfast. Because why? Bongi is happy. So
No, I'm treating them to the trauma.
no, we wanted to go hiking. You did this on purpose, right?
We're going to sweat out our trauma.
Exactly. But you know what? It's fun. See you guys. I don't know when.
Later
Yeah.
on today.
Oh yeah, later on today. Okay.
The day is just started.
Yeah, because it's after 7. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a few.
She wants, she gets this. Asking all
Look at these idiots. Look at them.
You know what, Bucky? I want to say thank you for us not going to hiking. Because I would be so mad if I went after hiking and
Went to change and came here. Thank you, Bonky. You deserve a handshake.
Oh, it was a whole car accident.
I know, we know you planned it, but
you have
yeah.
a brain over your shoulder.
Planned it. You planned it. I saw you when you spoke to that man on the corner. We didn't even hear a comment, Jackie. I know you. You did great, my brother. So we just came back from quad biking. We're just gonna be chilling, and then we're currently doing air rifle. Bongi, what do you call it?
Oh yeah, air rifle.
Did you miss that?
I did, but I didn't miss your laugh. Didn't miss your laugh. I got your laugh.
Got it.
It's air what?
Air rifle.
Say it.
Air rifle.
Okay, that's one that I can't pronounce. So yeah, Noku is currently doing the right thing, so I'm just gonna switch the camera quickly. Don't disappoint.
Yeah, but he hit it. Yes. 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 She got it. Got it, guys. Got it.
It's actually very easy.
Yes. Alright, so that's 3 out of 5. Go! 4. Yes! Yes! She got them all down. Yeah, man.
Okay, you're not really a paraface. That's
Guys, you didn't even say this thing is heavy.
it. Is that's why I couldn't.
You have to
Like,
go, because once you do as he says, you get it. That was a hit.
Sibling support.
Like this. No.
Almost.